When I try to apply same textures on a different walls, they are looking different. Also, textures looking good in the unlit, they are not same when seen in lit mode. When I try to apply same textures on a different
They
walls.
look different because of lighting mostly.
Yeah, so unlit means no lighting. And if you are in lit mode, means lighting is affecting that texture. And texture doesn't remain as texture when you keep that texture in the scene. Texture is not texture, it becomes a material. Okay. So a material will be affected by light always if that material is in lit mode. If the material is in unlit mode, right, then it won't be affected by light. Simple as that.
So you can just change the view mode.
Yeah, we can show that to you simple. So suppose I apply a material to this. We create a simple material. Where is that? Yeah. So when I create a simple material, over here you can see default lit or unlit. Okay, you can choose between these. I'll showcase you right now. I'll create a simple, just need a constant vector. Alright. So let us choose a color. I'll apply this to the base color only. Okay. And right now this is in default lit mode. That means your material, instead of material, you can take a texture. Okay, it is simple. If you want, I can take a texture because it might be simpler for you to understand. Over here, I might have to choose a texture. Let us get this texture. I'll just put it in the base color. So the texture is now converted into a material. Okay, it might be any texture. So shading mode is right now default lit. That means it will affect the material will be, lighting will be affected on this material. Okay. Now, let's just apply this to this one cube. So lightning, let us get a light also, a simple point light or something. So as you can see, the material is now brighter, right? More the light comes closer, the material is more brighter on this side. Now, if I go to unlit mode in this view mode, what happens is the material is in lit mode, but my viewport is in unlit mode. Means I have disabled the light. Simple as that. Okay. So this is a common. It is not that much of a big deal. You just have to click on the light lit mode, and then you will see that the materials are affecting from the light. And if you want that your materials should not affect the light, you can just click on unlit mode. Okay. And from here, you just have to apply it into a MSO color. Okay. And whatever happens, if the light is near or far, you will see that this material is not getting affected. The material below is getting affected, but this is not getting affected. Alright. So that is the difference between lit and unlit mode of the textures, or when the textures are converted into material.